We love the old Jeeps here at Craft Customs, and this one is out of a 1989 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. As you can see why the customer sent it in to us. You know, he loves his old Jeep, as Jeep lovers do. This one needs some love, and that's what we do here at Craft Customs. So we're going to clean up that horn button, clean up the back hub, remove that old leather. There's padding underneath the leather, so we'll remove the old worn out padding. Then we'll re-pad this steering wheel and put brand new automotive grade premium leather on it, and then stitch it back to the factory new. So we're going to take a look at it after we transform it. All right, take a look at this 1989 Jeep Grand Wagoneer, all reupholstered back to factory new. We cleaned up the horn button as good as we could. It's a little bit old, but that grip area is amazing and gorgeous. Did a great match to his seat material that he sent us to match to. Cleaned it all up, replaced the padding on the wheel, and then holstered it in this high-end matching premium grade automotive leather. Got the baseball stitching on the inside there. It not only looks great, but absolutely is a great stitch for holding anything together. So anyway, at Craft Customs, this is what we do. This is how we do it. Reach out to us at craftcustoms.com. Follow us on any of our social media channels. As always, you're going to love what you get. We guarantee it.